Hello, welcome to watching how to use Waffle ice cream cone breaker. When the machine connected a power supply, switch on the power button. The heating light is lighting. As you see, this one is thermostat button. Temperature can be adjusted from 50 to 300. Clockwise rotating the thermometer to be 200 degrees. The plane is heating now. When the temperature reaches setting temperature, the heating indicator light off. The plane stops heating. The power supply comes off the machinery. When the temperature drops a bit, the indicator lighting starts working. After heating the machine, pouring oil into up temperature. And down temperature. Put the material into the plate. Cover the up temperature. We adjust within 1 minute for timer. Open the up temperature. Use the rubber wood to the mold. The ice cream skinning is okay after cooling.